The 2 Tires Guide to the Bridgestone VO2 Superbike Slick. You can't buy the slicks that MotoGP riders use, but if you want to experience what they're capable of, you'll get close with the VO2s. Bridgestone used to be the tyre supplier to MotoGP, and the VO2 benefits from Bridgestone's MotoGP experience. These are phenomenal tyres with incredible grip, but they also last well too. These are proper motorsport slicks, so they are sensitive to the way they are stored and warmed. They're also sensitive to ambient weather conditions, tire pressure and track temperatures. If you've never used slicks, while these are incredible, they need to be run properly. If you want a more forgiving slick, try Metzeler's TD Slick, but if you want ultimate lap times, the VO2 are hard to beat. The size profiles are tricky to understand compared to what most of us are used to. But if you're in any doubt, drop us a line. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.